Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So I'm really excited because our December kits have come out, or actually have been shipped out, and I'm ready to dig in. Okay, so this particular kit probably is I want to say this one is probably my favorite for the year. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so here we go. I saw this particular collection come out. I want to say it was maybe around September, somewhere around there. But as soon as I saw it, I was like, this would be perfect. Coming out of Christmas, getting ready for New Year stuff, that it would be really good for our December kit. So you can see the flowers. Um, I love these purple ones with the blue and the purple together. I really like that. We have this one where it has the geometric and some flowers. And the great part is you get two of each sheet. So if you're a person who likes to fussy cut, you have one where you can fussy cut it up, and then the other you could use as a base for a layout or cards or whatever. So it leads to a lot of different options. And I love the ombres. Love it, love it. And this one is fun too. I saw a lot of layouts being done on top of that. And then you have this really pretty, now it looks like that's like messed up there at the top, but it's throughout that whole page. It's how they designed it. It's really neat. And then this one, oh my God, I love these flowers. They are calling to be fussy cut, but then look at this on the back. There's something about this collection with the purples and the blues and the pinks. I love it. And then you also get two sheets of marshmallow basil cardstock. You do not get the Hershey golds. Why does it always have to fall, right? So here are some of them, other parts that go with the kit. This is the puffy, uh, yeah, the puffy alphabet. And I love the gold. There's a lot of gold accents. You get the puffy stickers. You have seize the day, happy thoughts. I love all the little accents. And then this is gold foiled, like wood veneers, like wood pieces. And then we're actually using a Prima flower, but what I love about it is the dark blue flower there goes really well with the dark blue in the in the embellishments here. And then you have a package of sequins, which matches perfectly with the purple. And then we also get a couple of strips of this uh, gold star trim, which is really great because you can use it as trim, the long trim, or you can also cut the stars individually and use them to, attach around your layout. So there's a lot of different options that you can do. All right, so you get all of that plus the paper collection. Tons of fun, right? Oh, I can't wait to get into it. And I look forward to sharing some scrapbook layouts with this and maybe some cards. I'm going to see what I can figure out and work out, okay? So here are the close-ups of the papers, a few of the papers, and then of course the embellishments. I will have links down below to scrapbookingwithme.com and all of our Facebook links and of course my own links as well. So if you have any questions, comments, you can leave them down in the more section. Otherwise, thank you and I hope you have a great day.